Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to make money online. And you don't need a business, a product, or even an audience to start. Let's break down exactly how to do it. Freelancing means offering a skill or service to clients and getting paid per project or per hour. You're not an employee, you're your own boss. You decide what you do when you work, who you work with, and how much you charge. It's perfect for people who want flexibility, freedom, and fast income, especially online. You might think, I don't have any skills, but chances are you do. Here are some of the most in-demand freelance services right now. Writing like blog posts, product descriptions, scripts, and resumes. Graphic design including logos, social media posts, and flyers. Video editing for YouTube, TikTok, and ads. Voiceovers, social media management, website design, data entry, virtual assistant work, SEO optimization, customer service, and email marketing. Even if you're just starting out, many of these skills can be learned for free, and honestly, pretty fast. Let's talk platforms. These are the best places to start as a beginner. Fiverr. So, you create a gig listing your service and then clients come to you. It's really great for beginners and creatives. Upwork. You apply to job posts from clients. It's a bit more competitive, but, it's great for higher rates and long-term work. Freelancer.com. It's similar to Upwork, honestly. There's a mix of one-time jobs and ongoing projects. Next up, People Per Hour. This platform mostly connects you with clients from the UK and Europe. It's really great for writing and design gigs. Another option is LinkedIn and Facebook groups. Just build a profile, post about your service, and network directly with others. This can actually lead to some pretty high-paying clients. And as a bonus, there are websites like TopTal or 99 Designs. These are a bit more advanced, but they pay really well once you build up some experience. So, how much can you make? Well, honestly, it depends on your skill, your experience, and how well you present yourself. Here's a rough breakdown. If you're a beginner writer, you might earn somewhere between $10 and $30 per article. For logo design, it could be $20 to $200 per project. Video editing jobs can pay $50 to $300 per video. Voiceover work usually ranges from $25 to $150 per minute. As a virtual assistant, you can expect $10 to $25 per hour. And if you're managing social media, that could bring in $300 to over $1,000 per month for each client. Some freelancers make about $500 a month in their first few months. Others, though, scale up to $5,000 a month or even more. Here's a simple step-by-step plan just to make things really clear. Step 1. Choose one service. Pick one thing to offer. Don't try to do everything. For example, you could be a short-form video editor for TikTok and Reels. Step 2. Learn the basics fast. Watch YouTube tutorials, take free courses like on Coursera or Skillshare, or just practice with friends. Step 3. Build a simple portfolio. Even if you don't have clients yet, go ahead and create some sample work. If you're a designer, make 3 fake logos. And if you're a writer, try writing 2 articles. This way, you can show off your skills and have something ready to share with potential clients. Step 4. Set up a Fiverr or Upwork profile. Make sure you have a clean profile. Use keywords, add a friendly photo, and describe what you offer clearly. This really helps clients understand what you can do for them. Step 5. Apply to 5 to 10 jobs per day. On Upwork or Freelancer, just make sure you're applying consistently. On Fiverr, optimize your gig with keywords and good thumbnails. This will give you a better chance of landing your first job. Step 6 is to over-deliver on your first job. Once you get your first client, just go all in. Deliver high quality and do it fast. Make sure to ask for a review. That first 5-star review, honestly, it can change everything. There's a lot of competition out there, but you can still stand out. So, here are a few tips for standing out. First, niche down. Don't just be a video editor. Be a TikTok editor for travel creators. Next, offer fast delivery. If others take 3 days, try offering 24 hours. Use a video intro on Fiverr. A short video of you talking really builds trust. Include bonuses. Things like a free revision, faster delivery, or extra formats can make a big difference. And finally, be super clear. Clients want results. Say what they'll get, not just what you'll do. As you gain experience, you can raise your prices. But here's how to do it without losing clients. First, get testimonials. Social proof really matters. Ask happy clients to leave reviews. Second, show your results, like saying, "This TikTok got 100,000 views," or "This email increased sales by 25%. Third, specialize, because experts get paid more. It's better to go deep, not wide. Fourth, offer packages. Instead of $50 for one video, offer 3 videos for $150. And finally, position yourself as a problem solver. Clients pay more when you solve real problems. Can you turn freelancing into a full-time business? Absolutely. Many people start freelancing as a side hustle and over time, grow it into a full-time income. Some even go on to build agencies where they outsource work to other freelancers. You start small, you build a reputation, then you scale. For example, in months 1 to 2, you might earn around $200 to $500 per month. By months 3 to 6, that could grow to $1,000 to $2,000 per month. And by months 6 to 12, you could be making $3,000 or more each month. Now, freelancing isn't passive. You're trading time for money. But it's the fastest way to start making money online, sometimes in just a few days. And you can use that income to later build passive streams, like selling digital products or investing in content. Freelancing gives you skills, income, and freedom, which honestly makes it a perfect launchpad for everything else. Alright, here are some final tips to help you succeed. First, focus on one service at a time. Really get good at it. Make sure to practice every single day. When you're just starting out, try to send at least 10 proposals per day. Never stop working on improving your skill, there's always room to grow. Always ask your clients for reviews, they make a big difference. Track both your income and your time so you know what's working. And finally, remember to think long-term. This isn't just a quick gig, it's a journey. Freelancing isn't just about making money, it's really about building your name, your brand, and most importantly, your freedom. You can start today. Seriously, you don't need any money to get going. All you need is your time, your skill, and a bit of effort. So whether you're a designer, a writer, an editor, or even just really good at organizing things, there's definitely a client out there who needs what you have to offer. In part 5, we'll take a look at how you can make money online by selling online courses, basically, turning your knowledge into income. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe,